Welcome on this tutorial related to Maxnet school website and the what can we do perform here, how to make gallery page on the Maxnet school website. I'll let you show how gallery page. This is a gallery page on the school website. How to make like this gallery. This is a nice gallery. Okay. uh, how to make, let go on the backend page of this backside dashboard here. This option, here you can see here the menu side. There is a one option by gallery perspective here. Here is the new option to create a new gallery here. If you want to create new gallery, then you go with this on this gallery, this button. I want just add it. I just click on gallery first. This is all related information of gallery page. Image alignment is center, like the gallery width ki 100%. You can modify all the changes, width of images. Okay, width of images, this one. What the width of showing images. Okay, this you can modify by the all the changes. Every option you can check automatically. Background color, choose icon, whatever you want. I show you image list. This is all the image for the gallery page. I added new, just want to add new images. Go click here and import it from WordPress media library. Okay, if you find here image, what image you want to add there. If you not, go to media and upload file. You can select image here, like this image. I want upload this image, this, yeah, this upload it. Okay, if you want to add more images like this image, this, you can just tick it. check check symbol show ki it image is selected. Okay, choose image. It take time to upload image. Here you can see pop-up of uploading image is uploading completed, and you can see here the images, list of images. Okay, fine. Then go to gallery, click here, copy this shortcode, right click and copy. Pages, go to pages, add new page. Type here gallery, and to just select here and say it's paragraph, and paste the shortcode here. After pasting, just publish. Okay, there is a one pop-up coming here, view page. I want just view page. You can see here all the images of gallery showing here. Let's see. take time to loading. Yeah, this is the images preview. Here come on the top of side of images. Image size is too large, that's why taking a time to load the image. You can manage size before uploading. Just take time. Okay, let me I leave here. You can see all the gallery. This is a simple step to how to make gallery page. After making this page, you want to add in the menu part of the this. You can go here. This cancel this image. Okay. This is other further option to for this editor. Okay, this is code editor. You want add by this gallery, you want to coding, or other option document visual. If you want to permalink, either other option feature option state here. Okay, I go back on the dashboard. Okay, after you coming on dashboard, you want to add a gallery here option. You just go to appearance, menu part. You see you recent created page gallery. Just add to the menu. Here is here gallery coming. If you want put before contact gallery, here is the main menu. After save. Here you come here coming. You can find here the new menu coming, name page of gallery. This is a very step, very easy step. uh, Thank you.